Hey everyone! To add a PNG image to Adobe InDesign, you're first going to go ahead and go to your side panel and select your rectangle frame tool. You're then going to make a square where you want your image to be. Then you select Import Image. Now for this example, I have a daily planner and I want to add a flower border. So I'm going to select my image. And there's my image. Now, as you can see, it's not quite where I want it. So I'm going to get my selection tool and I'm going to drag my image to where I want it. Now, there's usually a circle here in the front. For some reason, it's not coming out on here, but this seems to be okay. So that's where I want my image. Now, my image is right in front of my daily planner. So what I'm going to do now is just go to my layers panel. And I'm going to select my flower border and I'm just going to go ahead and drag it to be behind everything. And that is how you can import a PNG image on Adobe InDesign. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Adobe.